So here's your second set of notes. We did the notes on the front of the page and we did the 5 practice problems. Now we're flipping it over and we're talking about range. So it says notes on range. We talked about range in terms of domain and range. Like domain is all possible values of x and range is all possible values of f of x. Those are in terms of functions. Now we're going to talk about what range means in terms of a data set or a bunch of numbers that you're trying to figure out, like the mean, median, mode. So the range is the biggest number minus the smallest. It's the biggest number minus the smallest. We want to know like how far apart the data set is basically what it's asking. So for example 1, calculate the mean and range of the following data. I have 5 test scores. There's 60, 67, 73, 63, and 67. And I want to find out the mean and the range. First, to find out the mean, I need to add together all of the numbers. So 60 plus 67 plus 73 plus 63 plus 67. I'm going to take my calculator and I'm going to add them all up. And we went over how to find range a few weeks ago, so this shouldn't be something new. And you get 330. Remember, the mean is the average, so the number's supposed to be in the middle of the data. 330 is way too big, so you know that can't be your final answer. Now you need to divide by the number of numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to divide it by 5. So I get that the mean is 66. Now to find my range, I take the biggest number, which is 73, and I subtract the smallest number, which is 60. So my range is 13. So that's example 1.
Okay, ready?
Hold on one second. Gotta get this erased.
Ready, set, or no, lights, camera, action.
All right, so we're gonna be looking at our second example from our range notes. So example 2 says, at a pet store, a survey was taken asking how many pets each person had. The results were blah, 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 blah. So we're gonna calculate the mean and the range. So first, my numbers are as such. So first I need to add them all together. So 2 plus 5 plus 3 plus 1 plus 0 plus 4 plus 2 plus 7 plus 0 plus 2 plus 7 plus 3. Use our calculator to add them all up. I get 36, and then I need to divide by the number of numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. When I divide that by 12, then I get 3. So the mean is 3. To calculate the range, I'm going to take the biggest minus the smallest. It looks like the biggest is 7, and the smallest is 0. So 7 is the range.